In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use cycles with 768 by 1024 resolution without the denoise and composite nodes, and also set the background strength to 0.5. This is a very simple scene composed of a scaled sphere. S to scale, Ctrl 3 to subdivide, and right-click to subdivide like this. I typed S and Z as in zebra to scale it on the Z axis. Please render the image and import it to Stable Diffusion. Let's create a depth map, save it, and import it. This was the rabbit astronaut, but it would be nice if we could add a helmet. That looks awesome. Let's try a Piglet astronaut with and without helmets this time. That's a huge astronaut. Let's add a helmet. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.